You are here for my unboxing. I received some tennis gear from a tennis company called Poché. As many of you know, I am a tennis player and they sent me some tennis wear. Can't wait to see what they sent. Okay, so I like this. I love the design here, the scalloped. That's pretty cute. Can't wait to try that on. I have another one. Has pockets. That's adorable. Cute little pink design there. Oh, and some outerwear. That's nice. Little design here. Mesh. That's slimming. Okay, I'm gonna go try it on. This is the outfit. Love it. I love these pockets. Poché. So you have been a witness to the unboxing. My tennis gear. So I just want to say thank you, Poché, for sending me my tennis outfit. They have a lot of beautiful, unique designs. Check them out. I will tag them and definitely see what Poché has that you might like. Now I'm ready to go play.